I am currently searching for a lifestyle which can help me to live a healthy lifestyle. I tried running, calisthenics, etc., but my search is still on and there are videos on YouTube which state that yoga changed their life. So let's do a yoga with the goal to find out how it will gonna affect me physically and mentally. I downloaded the app called Yoga and started to perform yoga day by day. And before we move on, let's see what's my yoga session look like. Yoga session. Did you notice a problem here? It is too boring or minimalistic, at least for someone who is running or calisthenic just before. So what happens is then when you do exercise, generally you are breathless or your mind is on a sharp focus and you feel that satisfaction from inside. But by performing yoga, I was not getting that kick. So I started to combine yoga with home workout. That's how 1 month passed and it turned out that I done 16 yoga sessions, 13 workouts and 7 simple push-ups and squat sessions. I skip half yoga session. Let's try to understand why. So people see yoga in two different ways. First group see yoga as in just exercise and compare it to other exercises and find out it's boring or less intensive. However, other groups see it as a more spiritual thing, like they see it's more than poses, it has something behind, like some kind of magical power behind. And I think there is another difference between yoga and high intensity workouts. High intensity workout gives you more physical benefit than mental benefits. It's not zero. Definitely we feel good after doing workouts because of dopamine release. On the other side, yoga will give more mental benefits than physical benefits. So I think we have to choose that what exactly do we want. And right now I am personally in a first group. Currently I wanted to continue a high intensity workout with meditation, but definitely wanted to explore a spiritual side of yoga too. And whenever I will try it, I will make sure that I will do it for at least more than 3 months because this time I only done the 16 sessions. So I would say don't take this video too seriously because you can't argue 1000 years old practice with just 1 month of experience. So and I personally just wanted to share my experience. So that being said, thanks for watching. Watch this video next.